Hey guys, Jay here, and today I want to show you something that I've got that's kind of cool. It's cosplay related, so why not? I don't have to do anything to it, so there's that. But you probably saw it in the thumbnail. But this is for my Trafalgar Law cosplay from One Piece. My friends and I are doing a group cosplay of that, so why not? I wanted something that was not just holding the sword, because he has the sword that he holds across his shoulder like that. That everybody does that, and then everybody does that thing for an attack, or the other way. He does it both ways. I don't know anything about One Piece, but I've seen people do both directions, and I've seen reference images and screenshots of him doing both directions, up and down. And I wanted something to have as another prop, a secondary prop. And I found some photos online, like some reference screenshots, some artwork, as well as a figure where he's got this swirling water, or what looks like water, and it looks like it's swirling. And I thought that was kind of cool. It's all been static, so I haven't seen like it moving. I haven't seen like a video of it or anything. But the figure is official, so that has to be an official attack he has. So I wanted to do that, and I thought that was kind of cool because he has like one that's like a water ball or something. That's boring. That's just a ball that's blue, and it's annoying to try to make that. And I was like, well, how do I make this one, this swirling water ring or whatever it is? And I was coming up blank with ideas. So I was like, let's go to Reddit and see if anyone there knows anything, or if anyone there can even help. So I went on a couple of the cosplay ones, and I was like, hey, this is what I want to do. Here's some photos of what the attack looks like, or what the thing looks like that I want to make. What's a good idea? Has anybody seen something like this that I can buy? Or does anybody have any models, or like 3D models, or something like that? Or how would I do this if I have to do it myself? People were giving me ideas like using hot glue or cellophane and wire and stuff around cylinders that are the right size, all that kind of stuff. And I'm like, I don't know how I can do this. I can't even picture in my head how to do like the cellophane that they were talking about. Like, I don't know how that would even work because it's got the things coming off of it. You'll see in a minute what I mean. But yeah, so I was like, I don't know how the heck I'm going to do that. And I thought maybe taking hot glue and trailing it and then cutting that down or something. I'm not sure. But one of the people that replied to my thing, we were talking for a couple conversation pieces, like, you know, for a little thread. And they just straight up went, hey, I work in CAD, the 3D modeling designer program. Here you go. Here's a model. He just gave me a model he just made. Like, it took him, like, he said like an hour or something. He's like, here you go, here's a free model. And he said I could, he put it up on Thingiverse and said, hey, yep, there you go, print it out, go ahead. So I was like, okay, cool. And now I have this. So I'll show you closer up with stuff. But yeah, they printed the model off for me. So now I have it. So it's gonna go like that. Like, obviously I'm not gonna hold it, so I'm going to hang it with some fishing wire. So I'm gonna move the camera over here and get it closer and show you how to do that. And I'm just gonna basically tie it down in 3 spots like a tripod, and then hang it from my hand. That's all I'm doing. All right, so what I'm gonna do, take this fishing line. I gotta get rid of a lot of this. A lot of this top layer got a lot of black on it, probably from tape I had on there. Okay, so there's an end there and there. So there's this bit. So I'm going to wrap it and then tie it off, and then hope it doesn't come undone. I wish I had a better fishing line than this, like one that was a lot more invisible, but there's nothing I can do. This is actually kind of difficult to get to work. The smaller side keeps slipping out of my hand. It's not super tight on there, but it'll work. But also, not being super tight means that there's slack so that I can cut it if I ever need to. So it's not super loose, but not super tight. All right, so let's cut the excess off. There we go, a little excess there. And then, crap, I cut straight through what I just tied. Man, all right. I'll have to do that again. Let me just make this super long, actually, so that I don't have that problem again. All right. So now you can see it's lifting up with the thing. You can't really see it on camera, so now it looks like it's floating. You can kind of see it, but not really. But yeah, so I'm going to do that there. And then I'll do one like here, and then one here, and then have it over my hand. And actually, yeah, that's too much. But then I can tie it up at the top, and then it can just sit on my hand. So let me find another section of this that doesn't have black all over it. And then we're going to do that again. And this one's super long, so I don't have to worry about it being a problem. It's not going to be perfect. If I made this one over here instead, that would be more perfectly spaced out. But I can't fit one right here very well, so I'm not going to do that. You know, wait, I actually might be able to. Let me try. Right there. It's not going to be amazing, but it might work. Okay, yeah, it should actually work. And this is some pretty strong fishing thread, so, or fishing line. So it's made to reel in a fish, so it's pretty strong. And now you can see now there's two, but it's still sideways. So that's why I need three. The third one is going to hold this side up to stop it from doing that. So one more. Oh, it looks like I got most of the area with the black disappeared that I've been using, so that's good. Oh, there's some right there, so I'm going to cut that off so I don't accidentally use that. I've literally never used this fishing line before for anything else. So it doesn't really matter if I waste a bunch of it because I have no idea when I'm going to use it ever again. This is the only thing I've ever had to use for. So, yeah. Okay, but this one is going to go like here. Pull that one tight. Cut the excess off. Now we have three, and now it holds it up. So now I just need to tie this off correctly over my hand. So it'll be like this on my hand. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, do it there. And then I can double knot this so that it stops adjusting itself. That didn't stop it from adjusting itself. Oh, okay. Okay, it didn't ruin it. It adjusted a little bit, and I was like, oh, that's not good. Can't have that. But that works. And then, blam, cut the excess off. And then this one, I will tie around this, but I have to make sure that it doesn't angle itself weird. Like this is angled weird. It's angled this way. So I have to fix that. I have no idea how to make this work right. And I did accidentally off-center the knot, so I have to be careful. That looks about right. Bam. What did I do? Huh? I just did something and I have no idea what it was. Oh, I tied it too tight. That's what I did. Oh, never mind. Okay, there we go. So now, I have to figure out where this sits correctly. There we go, something like that. So, you can see it like on the, like, here, against my, yeah, you can see it there, but there's nothing I can do about it, but that's as good as it's going to get. That's kind of what I wanted. It's as good as it's going to get anyway. And I can straighten it out. Yeah, I can totally straighten it out for pictures. So that works. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but I can do it. I got a text message. Oh, I think my friend's here. Hardy's coming over. We're fixing up his Luffy cosplay. So that's going to be part of this too. But, bam. All right. Just adjust it on me. Call it good. That's done. That's what I wanted. That is dope, actually. I really like that. So, yeah, that's going to be into this video. This is what I was doing. Just showing you this and showing you how I made it sit on me. So it just kind of moves around on my hand. But that's what I wanted. Just this. So if you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.